Was that enough?
Welcome to I Can Heal the World.
You can heal the world.
Let's start healing
The world.
So guys, it's the season, strawberry season. And guys, look, we've got some fresh strawberry.
Look, they look so juicy, guys. I can't wait to eat them.
I like the word juicy. It's juicy is a juicy word.
Yes.
Look at this big one.
So delicious and juicy. Guys, oh my god, it's so delicious. I need to eat another one. Guys, this reminds me of something. Guys, what if we could have a strawberry eating challenge? What do you think?
Yeah!
That would be so fun, guys.
Are you sure you guys can do a strawberry eating challenge?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness. That means you are going to finish my strawberries today?
Yeah!
Let's go for it. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not?
Yeah! Here's this.
Yay!
We have judges. Guys, these can be our judges. This is Judge Fuzz. And this is Judge Pinky.
Woo! And they're gonna be watching us, and they'll be cheering all of us, which will
Wow.
make it more fun.
Right?
And guys, before we start, just to spice up the challenge, let me show you some of my soccer tricks. So guys, first I want to juggle.
Woo! Woo! Go on the day! 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 Go on the day!
Oh!
Wow, that was nice.
And guys, let me just show you all my dribbles.
Go! 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 Go!
Oh wow, oh wow.
Go!
Oh, that's my Ronaldo.
Yay!
Nice, Amide. Oh, what a fun way to start this challenge. Wow.
Guys, I'm gonna show you a strawberry dance. Strawberry.
Jumi, please don't drop my strawberries. Strawberry dance.
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Jumi, you're funny.
Oh, what a perfect shirt for a perfect challenge. And it says friends, fruits, and adventures. Yeah. And guys, look, we have a strawberry. Even though it's pink, we still have a strawberry. We have a orange. No, that's not orange. That's a peach.
I didn't know that. I'm telling you.
Lemon. Yeah. Lemon.
A lemon.
I'm going to strawberry topper.
It's strawberry topper.
There's a strawberry topper. There's a strawberry topper. It's extra safe.
I think that would be too hot for the strawberries.
Oh, yeah, right.
That would be too hot,
Yeah,
Amel. That's a
it's
good
sweaty.
idea, but it will be too hot for it.
They're sweating.
Yeah, it's so hot and it will be too hot when you cover them.
This one is so sweaty.
Right?
Yeah.
I just watched them though. Maybe that's the reason why you see them like that.
Strawberries don't
This
sweat.
one.
Strawberries don't sweat, right?
Oh, that one's got some. She didn't want us to finish all her strawberries, so she divided the strawberries, and we each have a bowl of our own strawberries to eat for the challenge. So this is how the challenge is gonna work. We are gonna start at the same time, and who finishes it the fastest wins the whole challenge. And guys, we shouldn't forget about our judges. They also rate how we eat. So guys, it's a nice, hot, sunny day. So it's the perfect day to do this challenge. So is everyone ready?
Yay!
Are you guys ready?
Yay!
Are you guys ready?
Yay!
3, 2. Amel, did you start already?
It's okay, she's small.
Okay, go ahead. 2, 1, go. Oh, Amede. Oh my goodness. Do you mean that whole strawberry will enter your mouth, Amede? Oh my. Look at how you munched it. Wow, looks juicy. Juby.
I'm eating.
Go ahead, it's a competition. Jumi, you have not eaten one. Ame is having the second one already. Oh, wow. Oh, Amede. I enjoy the way you're eating it, Amede. Oh my goodness. Amede is really enjoying it. Oh, Jumi, you seem not to be in the competition. What's happening?
I'm eating.
You're not eating. I've not even seen you have a bite. It's a competition. It looks like they're sour. Are they sour, guys?
No.
Oh my god, I was gonna win maybe.
Oh, look at Abe has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jumi, Jumi is a competition.
I did. I'm trying my best.
You try it. Oh wow, wow, wow. Amede. Woo! Oh. Oh, Amel. Amel's almost done. Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna have 3.
Oh, you have 3. Amel has 3. Oh, you have 2. Amede. Oh, Jumi still has a bowl full of it. Jumi, what's happening?
I'm trying my best.
Jumi. Jumi will likely be the winner from the bottom, right? Are you going to be the winner from the bottom? Oh, oh. Was that the last one for Amel? Was that the last one? Amel, was that the last one? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! So, did you guys have a tie?
How many is this?
Jimmy's.
Jumi, you have 1 on the floor. So, Jumi,
No, me and my dad did a tie.
you had a tie, right? Wow.
That was so delicious. I feel like eating more strawberries.
You feel like eating more?
Jimmy, that was so cute. It's really good to help when you have to breathe. Guys, look, now I can do what they can do.
Wow, that was a whole one day.
I just take it off and put them on. Oh.
Are you okay, Amede?
We had so much fun in this challenge, and now we have to ask the judges what they think about our performance. And so the winners, there was no winner. It was a tie between me and Jumi, and unfortunately Jumi did a really good job, but she surrendered and she couldn't eat more strawberries. So guys, me and Amel, we did a good job, and Jumi, we did a good job. And now, let's ask the judges.
Judges, who won?
What did the judge say?
The judge said Amel won.
Okay, now let's ask the other judge. Judge, who do you think won the challenge?
Amel.
Oh, so it's a tie between me.
Amel, was that the last one? Oh my goodness!
We had so much fun eating the juicy red strawberries, and it was delicious, guys. And we had so much fun. So, guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye! And again, it was I Can Heal the World, You Can Heal the World. Let's start healing the world. Bye, guys.
Have a great day of strawberries falling out of the sky.
Yay.
Strawberries falling out of the sky. I mean, you're funny. Oh my goodness.